Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to explore the interface of Microsoft Word, including key components such as the title bar, ribbon, tabs, groups, quick access toolbar, scroll bars, zooming bar, caption buttons, and the status bar. In our previous video, we covered the uses of Microsoft Word. You can find the link to that video in the description below. So, let's get started with today's lesson. First, let's learn about the title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the Microsoft Word window, and it displays both the document name and the program name. When we click on the title bar, it displays the file name along with its extension and the file's location. Whenever you see the extension .docx, it indicates that the file is a Microsoft Word document. Single file of Microsoft Word called document. It also shows that the file is located on the desktop. Now, in order to make this concept even clearer, we will bring the image directly below the heading. By placing the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the title bar actually looks and functions. Now let's talk about the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a small, customizable toolbar located at the top left corner of the Microsoft Word window, usually above the ribbon. It provides easy and quick access to commonly used commands, such as save, undo, redo. You can also customize it by adding your own frequently used commands. Let's add a command to the Quick Access Toolbar. Here, we will add this find a command. Simply right-click on the command and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The command has now been successfully added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Now, we can easily remove it by right-clicking on the command and selecting Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. The command is removed effortlessly. Now, to make the concept of the Quick Access Toolbar even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the Quick Access Toolbar looks and functions, and how commands can be added or removed easily. Now, let's talk about the ribbon in Microsoft Word. The ribbon is the horizontal panel located below the title bar and Quick Access Toolbar. It organizes all the Word commands into tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and more. Each tab contains groups of related commands, making it easier to find and use features efficiently. The ribbon is a central part of Word's interface, helping users access tools for formatting, editing, and managing documents quickly. Now, to make the concept of the ribbon even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the ribbon looks and functions, including how its tabs and command groups help you access Word's features efficiently. Now, it's time to learn about tabs in Microsoft Word. Tabs are sections within the ribbon that organize commands into related groups. Examples of tabs include Home, Insert, Design, Layout, and Review. Each tab contains specific commands and tools that help you perform tasks efficiently, such as formatting text, inserting objects, or reviewing your document. Understanding tabs is essential for navigating Word effectively. Now, to make the concept of tabs even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the tabs look and function, and how they organize commands into groups to help you access Word's features efficiently. Now, it's time to learn about groups in Microsoft Word. A group is a set of related commands organized within a tab on the ribbon. For example, in the Home tab, the font group contains commands for changing font type, size, color, and text effects, while the Paragraph group includes commands for alignment, line spacing, and indentation. Groups help you find and use commands more efficiently by keeping related tools together in one place. Now, to make the concept of groups even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how groups look and function, and how they organize related commands within each tab on the ribbon. Now, let's talk about commands in Microsoft Word. Commands are the individual tools or actions within a group that allow you to perform specific tasks in your document. For example, in the font group, commands include bold, italic, underline, and font color. Commands are the building blocks of Word's interface, and understanding them helps you efficiently format, edit, and manage your documents. Now, let's talk about the caption buttons in Microsoft Word. These buttons are located at the top right corner of the Word window and allow you to control the window. First, the Close button exits the application. Next, the Maximize button enlarges the window to full screen, or restores it to its previous size. Finally, the Minimize button hides the window to the taskbar. The ribbon display options allow you to control how the ribbon is shown in the workspace. You have three options. Auto Hide Ribbon. It hides the ribbon completely. As we click it, the ribbon temporarily disappears from view, giving you more workspace. It appears only when you click at the top of the window. Show Tabs displays only the ribbon tabs, keeping the commands hidden until a tab is clicked. Show Tabs and Commands displays the full ribbon with all tabs and commands visible. Now, to make the concept of caption buttons even clearer, we will place their image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the Close, Maximize, and Minimize buttons look and function, and how they help you control the Word window efficiently. Now, let's talk about the scrolling bar in Microsoft Word. The scrolling bar, also known as the scroll bar, is located on the right side, vertical, and sometimes at the bottom, horizontal, of the Word window. It allows you to navigate through your document quickly, either by dragging the scroll box or by clicking the arrows at each end. The vertical scroll bar moves the document up and down, while the horizontal scroll bar moves it left and right. Scroll bars help you view and access different parts of your document efficiently, especially in long or wide documents. Now, to make the concept of the scrolling bar even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the vertical and horizontal scroll bars look and function, and how they help you navigate through your document efficiently. Now, let's talk about the zooming bar in Microsoft Word. The zooming bar is located at the bottom right corner of the Word window. It allows you to adjust the magnification of your document, making it appear larger or smaller on your screen. You can use the slider to zoom in for a closer view or zoom out to see more of the document at once. The zooming bar helps you work comfortably and efficiently by providing control over the document's display size. Now, to make the concept of the zooming bar even clearer, we will place its image directly below the heading. By positioning the image here, you will be able to visually connect the explanation with the illustration, which will give you a much better and deeper understanding of how the zooming bar looks and functions, and how it allows you to adjust the document's magnification for more comfortable and efficient viewing. Finally, let's talk about the status bar in Microsoft Word. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Word window and provides important information about your document. It displays details such as the current page number, total number of pages, word count, and language. So, that concludes our detailed overview of the Microsoft Word interface. We have covered all the essential components, including the title bar, ribbon, tabs, groups, quick access toolbar, scroll bars, zooming bar, caption buttons, and the status bar. Thank you for watching and following along. Stay tuned, because next Saturday we will bring you a brand new lesson to continue your journey in mastering Microsoft Word.